I'm gonna be rich. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Muro here, back again with another video. So I saw all the posts happening on YouTube about Dogecoin. I've looked at Robinhood and I'm like, dude, this is crazy. I knew this would happen. I told you guys, as long as Elon Musk is pushing this thing, he is going to take it to the moon. So since I am jumping in on this cryptocurrency kind of bandwagon, Dogecoin bandwagon, look, I'm all for it. I support it, I invested in it, and I've also spread the word about it. And I've told many of you guys on YouTube, and I've also told many of my personal friends that, look, you need to jump in now because this thing is taking off like a rocket. And I'm telling you guys, if you want to make some extra cash and make it super fast, Dogecoin is the way to go. So I want to jump in and show you guys my Robinhood so that way you can see what's going on. All right, guys, I know it is later in the night and Dogecoin is at 66 cents. It was just at 67. I jumped on here real quick. I just shot a YouTube video like literally just 30 minutes ago, something like that. But when I got on here, it was at 68 cents and now it's dropping back down to 66. But I bought another Dogecoin. I'm at 921. I only need 79 more to go and I'm already at 1,000. So I'm looking at things. I'm like, man, do I really want to throw my budget off? I mean, you need gas for the week, you need food for the week. You got to make sure if you need something during the week, the money is there. And I know if you're like me, you're trying to stick to your budget. You don't want to spend that cash that you have because you don't want to throw any bills off budget. If you're like me, let me know down in the comments below if you're just like, man, I need to find some money somewhere so I can keep investing in Dogecoin, because literally, guys, by this Saturday, it's going to be over $1. I'm looking at it now and I'm like, man, it's not even close to Saturday and it's already this high. Think about it, the closer it gets. Can you imagine Friday? This thing's probably gonna be at like $2 or $3. It's insane. Elon Musk is the Doge father. He is gonna make sure this hits the moon. So tomorrow, while it's still around the 60 cents margin, I'm going to try and get up over 1,000. So that way come Saturday, I'm gonna be rolling in the dough. I'm telling you guys, this thing is amazing. It's exciting jumping in on it. I have so many friends that are like, man, thanks for telling me about it, because they are gonna make some cash. Now, here's the real question. With this thing jumping up like it is, will you hold on to it to hopefully hit $5 one day? Or will you sell it and be one of those that said, I wish I would have held on to this? Sad face. Check this out. So I was kind of looking up more information on this, and this is what they had to say. So this Twitter post went out by Zach saying, if you would have invested in the following $1,000 by January 1st, in Tesla, you would have profited $907. In GameStop, you would have profited almost $9,000. That is crazy. In Bitcoin, you would have only profited close to $2,000. But in Dogecoin, oh my gosh, over $100K. I'm telling you guys, that right there is a very nice and long vacation awaiting to happen. Man, that's crazy. If you keep reading, there's people who said I would have been in the 1% richest people if I would have held on to it. This guy says, oh boy, imagine having paper hands with Dogecoin. Wow. Me looking at Dogecoin, I sold it at 7 cents. Oh my gosh, why did you sell it at 7 cents? Oh my gosh, you had it so cheap. But that's the thing, guys. So many people that are saying that this thing is gonna equal, look at that, it's gonna equal in less than a few months Ethereum. I mean, this is just crazy, man. 3,000. I don't know, guys. I'm all in. I'm definitely investing as much as I can while it's still super low, because I'm telling you guys, this thing is so crazy right now and it's only gonna keep getting higher. I want to know from you guys, the viewers, are you investing? I saw so many comments saying, I don't care if it's 60 or 70 cents. I'm still gonna keep buying Dogecoin, because come Saturday, it might be up to $2 and I'm gonna double, almost triple my investment. So that's where that's at. I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on, man. I had to jump in on this video, guys, had to publish something because This is crazy. This is insane. I knew this would happen. I knew with Elon Musk pushing it the way that he does, he's going to put everybody on this bandwagon that he can, and other celebrities are jumping on board with him to make Dogecoin literally go to the moon. And I told you guys in my last Dogecoin video, I want to be on that rocket when it hits the moon, because I know that if I want to invest and make some easy money right now, Dogecoin is the way to go. If one day I want to be able to have enough money so I can pay off all the bills, be debt free, have some extra spending cash on the side, this investing is the route to go. Getting in on things like Dogecoin. Now, I'm not saying, oh, it's a sure thing 100 million%. No, no stock is a sure thing. Where have I heard that before? But anyways, Dogecoin is definitely crazy hot right now. You got a lot of people pushing it. A lot of companies are using it as a form of payment. And once that happens, it's only going to keep getting higher. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you're going to buy more Dogecoin, if you're going to sell things, move things, maybe skip out on a bill this month so you can get more in Dogecoin while still low. Be responsible. Take my advice. Do the best that you can, invest what you can, but don't break the piggy bank unless you have to. I'm just joking, guys. You can do whatever you want, sell whatever you want, break the piggy bank, throw it off a building, whatever you want to do to invest in Dogecoin. I just want everybody to be a part and get a huge piece of the pie. You guys are awesome. You guys make this channel possible. So look, I'm doing a $100 giveaway once this channel hits 1,000 subscribers. Look guys, we're getting so close. So if you want to jump in on this bandwagon, man, it's a hot one too, because we're so daggone close. And you can use that $100 to invest in Dogecoin. I'll pay you through the Cash App or PayPal, Venmo. You let me know, you win. You tell me how you need it and I'll make it happen. Listen, whether you're an aunt, uncle, cousin, brother, sister, whoever you are, you guys are special to me. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel, for supporting. Until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.